Former apartheid security police officer Joao Rodrigues passed away on Monday morning. He was facing prosecution for the murder of anti-apartheid activist Ahmed Timol in 1971 at the Voster Sqaure police station. Rodrigues was charged with murder and defeating or obstructing the ends of justice 3 years ago. The Timol family have advocated for justice to be served relentlessly. Well, for more on this, I'm joined by Imtiaz Cajee. He's the nephew of Ahmed Timol. Thank you very much, Imtiaz, for joining us. It's a very difficult time, no doubt, for your family, but what is your reaction to Mr. Rodrigues' death?
Good afternoon, Nompu. I think I'm personally filled with anger. The fact that he and his legal counsel have simply got away with the fact that post the 2017 inquest, they have not had the commencements of his criminal trial by successfully delaying it. In fact, having more than 19 court appearances.
Now, during the second inquest in your uncle Ahmed Timol's death, you kept emphasizing the importance of fast-tracking his case so that your family could get closure. So, given that you're not going to get this closure, what sort of impact is this having on your family and likely to have going forward?
Well, I mean, you summed it up correctly, that the one person who was in a position to make a full disclosure of what really happened to my beloved uncle has taken those facts with him to his grave. And he's successfully done this in a democratic South Africa under the watch of an ANC-led government, simply playing the system and leaving us without the answers that we've been desperately looking for.
Have you, I know it's early days, but have you spoken with the National Prosecuting Authority yet about the way forward? And are you going to try and seek any redress in another way?
Well, obviously the ball is now in the NPA's court, but my simple understanding is that obviously his criminal trial can't commence because he's not going to be present. And this is the stain that is going to be left on the history of the NPA in a democratic South Africa, including the democratically elected government, that they failed families across the country in timelessly dealing with the prosecution of TRC cases, and the death of Rodrigues is a practical example of that.
Imtiaz, we're going to leave it there. Thank you very much, sir, for your time and your comments there. That was Imtiaz Cajee. He's the nephew of Ahmed Timol.